Hi boys and girls, welcome back to my channel. My name is CK and my channel is Ecology, where I bring you around the world to see and explore. And today I am at Marina Bay here in Singapore. Behind me is one of the most iconic buildings in the world. The local call MBS, Marina Bay Sands Hotel. This is a ginormous complex of luxury hotel, casino, and even a museum. Opened in 2010, Marina Bay Sands with 2,500 rooms is the largest hotel here in Singapore. It does not only boast in size, it is, as you can see, an architectural masterpiece inspired by 3 shovel carts with the 3 towers and a sky deck built like a spaceship. This design is unseen anywhere else in the world. The size of the sky deck can hold up to 4 A380 Airbus jumbo jet, and the entire length is said to be longer than the Nimitz class aircraft carrier, the largest of its kind in the world. Now in this video, I am going to break my wallet and bring you and stay in Marina Bay Sands, and I'm going to bring you inside in this incredible structure, the luxurious room, the luxurious mall, and even a luxurious food court, and not to mention the incredible infinity pool up on the sky deck. But before I do that, here is a little bit of history of Marina Bay Sands of Singapore. Before MBS was built, Marina Bay was the go-to place for locals to fly kite, go bowling, and have cheap steamboats. And if you go even further back, Marina Bay was just the open sea. Looking at an old map of Singapore back in the 1940s, Marina Bay did not exist at all. The reclamation of Marina South and Marina East was indeed very special. The land reclamation was carried out in 1979. The material for this reclamation was from Tampines. At the time, Tampines was a high ground with hills. The hills were flattened for housing development, and instead of discarding the earth, it was recycled and transported for the Marina project. The excavated earth from Tampines was transported using huge conveyor belts. The construction of MBS cost over $5.8 billion when it was completed in 2009, providing an almost all-inclusive entertainment experience. The Marina Bay Sands Resort is a hotel, casino, and theater. It is now the icon for the Lion City. Okay, I'm checking in quite late. I must say, this is one of the most luxurious hotel rooms. Let me show you. Okay, we are at 1162. So unlike other hotel, there's a tower 1 and 2, I suppose, and then level 1, 11, and then the room is 62. And this is the room. This is the first thing I saw. It's a leather-covered cappuccino machine. Lots of complimentary water. Look at this exquisite cabinet. It's with swallows. Super exquisite. Let's look at what's inside. Wow. Some stuff for my personal items. Yes, I do have them. This. Ooh. It's super complete. It's not complimentary though. This is what I need. Potato chips, Singapore laksa. Oh, look at all these snacks. Jackfruit chips, hawthorn cubes. There's this organic salt, black pepper cashew, organic chili, calamansi nuts, shortbreads. Gosh. This is a tea set. Tea set. Look at that. A goldfish cap. Sweet. Capsules, tea, sachets, candies, milk, and bottled waters. Oh, it's been a long time since I sat on a bath. I sit in bed today right away after this. Look at that. Oh gosh, dragon. There's a weighing machine. Like every color is just beige and match. Unbelievable. And look at this marble. There's one and then there's two. I'm going to so wear this tonight. Hey, this is the toilet. Good that they have separate toilets here. Just have to figure out how to use these things. A bidet of stuff. Pressure, position, use dryer, wand cleaner, open seat and close, flushed. Every toilet should be like this, my gosh. It's still blinking, I don't know what is it doing. Look at this personal touch of these icons. And this really is adds in the mood. The mood to go. Look at this glass. Now, this. Oh, wow. This, I mean, small it is, but look how incredibly complete the whole thing is. How nice these bottles are. This is Negroni, Martini, old-fashioned. This is a mixer, my gosh. So it's late at night and I decided to just dine in and try the dine-in service here at Marina Bay Sands. I am in the most comfortable bathrobe you can imagine. This bathrobe is just, it's just like wrapped around me like fur. The prices on these food are not exactly affordable. To give you an idea, a bowl of white rice is 15 Singapore dollars. But I've ordered a char kway teow because I found that this is probably what I wanted to eat, and the club sandwich. So to just give you an idea of what I ordered, and one oriental dish and one sandwich club. A Penang boy trying a char kway teow in Marina Bay Sands. I mean, this has got to be the most expensive char kway teow there is. Oh, to be honest, it's not really too bad. It's still hot. Look at the size of the prawn, my god. Not oily, but of course, you know, it's not as I don't feel the wok hei, but I must say, quite satisfying. Again, this is great because I can just eat and relax here, and because I've checked in quite late already. So I'm gonna finish this and then I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. It's a very gloomy morning. I don't think you can get more gloomier than that. I slept not that well, surprisingly, but it was still okay. I mean, I slept quite a bit. And just making coffee now. The weather is really, really, really bad today. So here I am at the Shoppers Mall here at Marina Bay Sands. Well and behold, there is a food court here in this exquisite mall. This food court is pretty incredible. You can find every single Singapore street food right here, and it's located just beside this incredible centerpiece LED crystal light chandelier thing. It's absolutely mesmerizing. I think it's even more beautiful at night. Now, lots of stalls to choose from. I am spoiled with choice. I'm going with the incredible prawn mee. Look at this prawn mee. Incredible Singapore prawn mee, fried, and also the carrot cake. Here in Singapore, carrot cake comes with white and black, and you actually can mix it. This is from a stall called Singapore Fried Noodles. Do also incredible local food, Singapore style. I'm gonna try the carrot cake. It's pretty good actually. I must say, the salty one can be a bit more salty, but the black sauce, the sweet sauce, this is really nice. Oh, the noodles are pretty moist. If you're like me, pretty much on a budget, then the food court is a pretty good choice. And the ambiance here, I would say, pretty good. I'm quite surprised that the prawn mee tastes that good. Well, what do you know? Good food right here in Marina Bay Sands. And boys and girls, Pachi and Machi, Auntie and Uncle, are you ready for this? This is what people came to this hotel for. This is the incredible infinity pool of Marina Bay Sands. This is the longest elevated pool in the world. It is at 57-story, 150 meters long. The view is absolutely spectacular. The weather is bad today. It's drizzling, but I don't care. I am going in. This pool is so huge that they need 2 person every day to clean this pool, and it takes 1.5 hours for each person for 2 sessions, 1 at morning and 1 at nighttime, to complete this entire cleaning of the pool. But you cannot swim from one end to the other because it's separated by the separator, and you can actually sit on the separator. It's absolutely mind-blowing. I mean, I am looking at the entire Singapore on my view. This is the pool where all the celebrities, every single person that comes to Singapore must take picture of. So most people come to the pool in the morning, but what they don't know is the pool is open until 11 p.m. and the night scene is absolutely spectacular. Have a look at this. This is absolutely mind-blowing. So swimming in that pool was absolutely a an experience of a lifetime. I mean, the infinity pool is just absolutely an architectural masterpiece. And as I told you, it is even more spectacular at night. And you must come at night for a swim here. Now I'm done with my swimming, and now it's cocktail. And Singapore, a world-class city, they make one of the best cocktails in Asia here. And what better place to have your cocktail than here at Spago here at Marina Bay Sands. They make the most spectacular cocktails. I mean, the cocktails menu are just out of this world. This is the Garden of Eden, which I think very, very appropriately named, given that this is really a Garden of Eden. Well, for the rich and famous anyway. It has lemon and of course vodka, and this is just a very, very gorgeous drink. Well, I taste the mango. Here comes the sugar cane. This is it. This is absolutely gorgeous. I could not ask for a more better and beautiful night here in Singapore. So, good morning, good morning. I mean, that cocktail literally knocked me out yesterday night. It was such a good cocktail, and also very, very strong cocktail apparently, and it completely knocked me out. And here I am, good morning. I am all alone in this fabulous hot tub jacuzzi overlooking Gardens by the Bay. This hot tub is the most incredible hot tub jacuzzi I have ever been in. I am overlooking the whole of Gardens by the Bay. Look at all these ships coming in to the port of Singapore. This is truly a unique experience. I mean, I've never had this experience in my life. I'm of course not into hotel, but I must say the highlight is really my room. The room. I mean, the room knows that I'm coming into the room, and it switches on the lights automatically, the curtains open automatically. It's just everything is like very automatically done, and there's so many details in the room that I discovered while I was in the room still. I mean, and also the infinity pool, this hot jacuzzi, hot tub, it's absolutely, truly a lifetime experience. I'm poorer in my wallet, but I am richer in experience. The hotel is not sponsoring this video, so my views are all impartial. Truly an icon of Singapore. And the project is not finished yet. The expansion project is ongoing for Marina Bay Sands and Gardens by the Bay. So future projects are coming up. They are expanding this place into more shopping, more leisurely park, and more stunning architect, I will say. Now that is my video for Marina Bay Sands here at Singapore, and you can support this channel by going to buy me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/psychology. I hope you support this channel by like, subscribe, and share my video. But of course, if you want more videos of Singapore, you want more tips for where to go here in Singapore and what to eat in Singapore, here are some videos for your reference. I hope I can keep making videos of Singapore because this is truly a spectacular country. Everything here just really impresses me. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye from Marina Bay Sands Hotel on the 57th floor of this hotel in the hot tub jacuzzi overlooking Gardens by the Bay. Bye!